Hey everyone, Eric Whitley back with another L2L tips and tricks videos. Hey, are you tired of managing your Kaizen events with flip charts, sticky notes, and just a mess of paper? L2L's Kaizen and Lean Tools module helps you do all of that digitally now. Very simply, you're going to come into L2L's Lean Tools, you're going to go to the Kaizens, you're going to create that Kaizen event, you're going to give it a name, you can give it a status, you can put team members on it. You can create action items against it and dispatch all digitally. You can put drawings and attachments and photos and costs and all of that in L2L. So if you're tired of managing all your Kaizen events through killing trees and paperwork, you can do that all now in L2L and L2L's Lean Tools. If you'd like to learn more about L2L's Lean Tools and L2L's Lean Module, if you'd like to learn more about L2L, go to L2L.com. Sign up for a free demo. We do them every month. Or go over to our social media. Go to LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and go check out all these videos on YouTube as well. Again, thanks for joining me. I'm Eric Whitley and signing out. See ya.